Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing something truly premium, the Samsung 77-inch S84F OLED TV. Before we start, a quick note. I got this TV from Amazon, and I've shared the same purchase link in the description below. So if you're planning to get, make sure you use that link. You'll get the best price, latest offers, and a genuine Samsung product from their official top-rated seller with fast delivery. Alright, let's talk about my experience after using this TV for a while. And trust me, it completely blew me away. The first thing you notice is the picture quality. It's honestly one of the clearest and most lifelike displays I've ever seen. The OLED panel produces those deep, pure blacks and stunning bright highlights that make every scene pop. The contrast is just perfect. You can see every detail, even in dark movie scenes. And the colors, wow. They're rich, vivid, and extremely accurate, thanks to Samsung's Pantone validation. Whether you're watching a movie, sports, or nature videos, the picture looks incredibly realistic, like you're actually there. The NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor inside this TV does some serious work. Even older HD videos get upscaled beautifully to near 4K quality. The AI upscaling sharpens the image without making it look fake. You'll notice faces, textures, and small background details becoming super clear. Watching HDR content is an absolute treat. With OLED HDR and Dolby Vision, the colors explode off the screen. And honestly, it's the kind of picture quality that makes you want to rewatch your favorite movies just to experience them again in this clarity. Motion handling is another strong point. With Motion Xcelerator 120Hz, action scenes, sports, and gaming feel buttery smooth. No blur, no stutter, just clean and responsive movement. Audio quality is also surprisingly immersive. The object tracking sound light feature makes the sound move along with what's happening on screen. It really adds to the experience. You can feel the sound shift as a car moves or when a character walks across the screen. And then there's the design. Samsung's metal stream design looks ultra premium. Super thin bezels, sleek metal frame, and that massive 77-inch panel that just commands attention in any room. It's like having a home cinema setup without needing anything extra. Even the smart features are seamless. The interface is smooth, apps load instantly, and with Samsung's Vision AI, it can even suggest optimized settings automatically. Plus, you've got Alexa built in, so controlling it by voice feels natural. To sum it up, if you want a TV that delivers world-class picture quality, smooth performance, premium design, and smart features that just work, the Samsung OLED S84F, 77S84F, is worth every penny. This TV doesn't just show movies, it makes you feel them. So, if you're thinking of upgrading your home entertainment setup, definitely check out using the Amazon link in the description below for the best price and guaranteed genuine product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.